welcome back to my channel. As you guys read the headline, I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree makeup challenge. So pretty much I did this look by doing using Dollar Tree makeup. Yes, I know I'm pretty late to the motherfucking challenge, you guys already know. It's something that I always wanted to do, but yeah, it was definitely interesting, let me tell y'all. But yeah, you guys, so just go ahead and keep on watching. Don't forget to like and follow me on YouTube. I'm gonna start by priming my face. You guys, I got everything from Dollar Tree, you guys. I don't believe in Family Dollar. I don't believe in Dollar General. Like, none of it is dollar to me. Everything is like $3 or $4 more. So we're gonna go in with this primer right here. And it looks white. It doesn't look like... If you guys see me with a bunch of pimples, mind your business. It says clear right there, and it looks white to me. It looks like if I'm putting sunscreen and it's like not melting. Yo, what the F? Okay, I'm gonna trust the process, okay? And then for eyebrows, I ended up getting, I believe, a pencil. So I got this Broadway Colors. It's one of the brands they carried, and I got it in color dark brown. Before pomade changed my life, I used to use pencil. I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, and it was the best. It's still the best, honestly. It's still good. I'm just more into like pomade now, so that's why I don't use pencils. So this is the pencil right here. It has a little spoolie and it has a sharpener too, so pretty cool. This reminds me of back in the day when my mom used to do her makeup and I used to just like watch her do her makeup. So this is totally giving me like 2000s vibes. I'm gonna go with the spoolie and I'm gonna comb my little hairs. I'm trying to kind of do it like how I do pomade. Like, I forgot how to do my eyebrows with pencil. Can you guys believe that? So I'm gonna be using the Broadway Colors. This also I got from the dollar store. And what I liked about this, that it has like cream contour, but it also has these to color correct. And I color correct a lot with the green. And I'm grabbing a flat brush right here, putting some concealer, some cream. This is cream concealer, you guys, so yikes. Okay guys, so this is the final look for my eyebrows. Okay, so the next step is gonna be the eyeshadow, you guys, and I am gonna prime my lids again. I'm gonna go again with the same concealer palette. We're gonna go in with our eyeshadow, and I'm pretty excited. I don't normally use green eyeshadows, but I found this. So this is from LA Colors, and then we're gonna open it. Okay, here it is. Let me open it. God, they close this like people are gonna steal this. Should we use this? Okay, I'm gonna use this little, who remembers these, you guys? Like, honestly, wow. I can't believe I'm gonna attempt to use it. So we're gonna start with this one right here. We're gonna start with this one right here. And we're gonna put it all over our lid, which will be right here. So that's the lid, that's the first color. Now we're gonna go in with this one right here, which is a lighter green. We're gonna go in with this darker color. We're gonna put this in the outer corner. Alright, so I'm gonna go with LA eyeliner, and this is an auto liner, kind of like a pencil. So it's a gel pencil. So let me show you guys. You guys, there is literally like no pigmentation on it. at all. So we're not even gonna use that liner. But I did buy another liner and it was at the dollar store as well. This is a soft glide longwear eyeliner and this is from Hard Candy, you guys. I did find it at the dollar store as well, but I didn't find any other hard candy products. So I'm assuming this is like a 1K scenario, and not every Dollar Tree has it. So we're gonna try it. This is Hard Candy. Let me show you. All right, right here. There you go. All right, this is my second eyeliner, so we're gonna see. So the next thing is gonna be lashes, you guys. I think I'm done with the eyes, to be honest. The next thing is gonna be eyelashes, and I got these Ioni lashes. You guys, they are the best lashes ever. I truly like them. Like, for them to be $1, I mean, I just love them. I did a couple of giveaways on my Facebook lives with them and everybody loved them. Like, everybody who was receiving it, they were shook that they were from the dollar store. These are the most dramatic ones that I found from Ioni, I think it is. They do have a website, you guys, but they only have these lashes and they're all sold out. So they must be that good. So I can't wait for them to start coming out with more products, because I feel like they're going to make it very affordable. So I love an affordable brand. You guys already know that. I love a brand that can deliver a good product without a high-end price. You know what I mean? Okay, so we are going to cut them. There you go. And then I love these little scissors because they're just so convenient. They're small, but they also don't like rip off your lash like regular scissors. One of my biggest tips is to size them, you guys. Always size them, you guys. I can't stress this enough. And we're gonna go ahead and cut them. They're the best, you guys, honestly. These are from Lorella, and I do have Lorella's one of my vendors, you guys, so you guys can get them in my site now. So I will have my site pinned below in the comments, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Okay, you guys, now that I sized them, I'm gonna go ahead and use glue. So I'm gonna be using, for the sake of my lashes, today I'm gonna be using the Kiss glue. This is my favorite glue. I'm gonna curl my lashes to start to put on my falsies, and I am going to use this mascara also. Now that I have my mascara and I curl my lashes, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put the lashes on. You guys, I'm telling you guys are gonna be wow. Like, these lashes are actually my favorite. Look at these bad boys. Aren't they so pretty? Like, they're so cute, you guys, and they're faux mink. I love them. Okay, you guys, so the lashes are on, and I'm not mad at them, you guys. I am really not mad at them. Like, they look really cute. So for next, we're gonna be using this foundation right here, and this is from Wet n Wild. And this is, I don't think it even has a shade, to be honest. But this is kind of like what I found as closest to my skin. So yeah, it's probably not my skin tone, but it's the best I could do. We're gonna grab my Morphe M444, and this is the one that I use for my foundation, you guys. Honestly, it's my favorite brush ever. Okay. Oh, did you guys see that blob? Oh, it's so watery. I hate foundation that is so watery. It just makes me think that it's not gonna have like full coverage. So we're gonna start. Oh, it's so white. Okay, good. Hopefully we can contour. Hopefully. But you guys, it is really white, to be honest. I was going to color correct with this right here, but honestly, it is so white. I don't think I even need color correction at this point. So we're just gonna continue putting this foundation. It doesn't smell weird. I thought it would, but it actually doesn't smell that bad. This is the end of this foundation. Oh my god, you guys. honestly, oh my god. Like, I am so white. I am so freaking pissed. If you don't know that movie, we can't be friends, okay? Because that's like one of my top 5s. Like that one and Mean Girls. If you guys can't handle my white girls, my white chicks, or my Mean Girl references, we can't sit with us. Okay. What the F? Alright, I'm trying to open my contour, and I believe this is powder. I got this from the dollar store, and this is one of probably the one that I'm very excited to try, because I just feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I gravitated towards it. It's just, I don't know, it's giving me a good vibe, so hopefully I'm not disappointed. Oh, it's cream. Oh, was this supposed to be foundation? Hold on, you guys, let me read this carefully. Product in the USA. Oh my god, you guys, this is foundation, you guys. This is a foundation. It's not, well, I'm disappointed. Okay, so this is cream, not what I wanted, but I guess. We're gonna go in with a flat brush, the one that we use for my concealer. And we're gonna try to cream contour, you guys. I have no powders whatsoever, so it's gonna hella crease, I know it, but we're gonna try to get this white face under control, okay? Can you even see that? Okay. So this is a no. We're gonna go back with our cream contour here. This is cream as well, but I have a feeling that this brown right here is gonna do the trick. I have a feeling. Okay, that's even better. Like, I can actually see that. I think we're starting to see some color. What do you guys think? Are we getting some color or not? Maybe because you have to end this way. I don't know how people do it. Okay, so we're gonna go back with our palette, you guys, and we're gonna go with the darkest shade. No, actually, we're gonna go in with this green right here. We're gonna go with this green, and then we're gonna go with this one. Okay, and then we're gonna go with the darker soul. I mean, darker shade. What? Okay, and then we're gonna go back with our eyeliner, our Candy Stroke of Gorgeous, and we're gonna do our waterline. Okay, that's not too bad. Like, if I had all these products like on my bag, like, or if like I was stranded in an island and I wanted to look cute and these were all the items I had in my, or that I found in this island, I wouldn't be mad because they're doing their job. Obviously, we're used to more of a glamorous look, easier products to use, but I still wouldn't be mad. Okay, and then lastly, we're gonna go in to the lips. We're going to, okay, I don't even know what shade this is. I'm assuming is this shade, I don't even know if it's gonna match me, to be honest, but we're gonna see. Simple colors. I'm telling you guys, like, they package this like crazy. It's color, what the, it has like a shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like a little shimmer to it. I don't know. I mean, we're gonna see, you guys. Well, I'm not mad at it. This ain't no MAC, but I'm not mad at it. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in with my Hot Fun setting spray. So this is my final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Honestly, what a effing mission, you guys. There was a hit or miss things. I mean, there was some products that did their thing. There were some things that were not. Probably my biggest problem with Dollar Tree or any Dollar Tree product will be that what you read in the label is not exactly what you're gonna get. I don't know why they do that. I know they are cheap, but regardless, I don't know. I feel like they can at least say or intend what they were gonna do. So you know what I mean. I hope you guys enjoy it. I can't wait to take this makeup off, you guys. Even though I'm not mad at it, I like the way I look. I am gonna take some pictures. I just can't wait to take it out. Like, I'm afraid for my skin. Oh my god, don't try this at home. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. Please make sure to follow my YouTube channel. If you guys want more videos like these of makeup challenges, drop your comments. Let me know what other challenge I should do. I do want to be more active on YouTube. As you guys know, I'm more active on Facebook. I go live on Facebook more. I like Facebook because I can interact with all of you guys. If you guys don't follow me, it is Kenia Do a Beauty Shop on Facebook. I go live every Thursday, but I have been going live more frequently, so I hope to see you guys there. If you guys are first time watchers, let me know in the comments as well. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.